So we're working on a clinic today. Yesterday we were underneath the house jacking it up. And the problem is the lighting, the LED lighting, is not very bright. It's dim. So what we found is that this has got a lot of trash in it. And there was a spider up in there. So this is Nora Inspect. We'll show you the... And then you get this at Lowe's, but you can also order it online. It just twists off. You see all that little bugs in there? So we'll clean that. There's some more inside that lens right there. So what we'll do is we'll take the light down. If you notice, it has these little clips that here, Clay will show you.
And they just twist in there.
So it just twists into these slots right here. So now we're going to take the screw down. Barely put in this. Spider stuff going on. You see that? So what we're finding is, by the way, it's this brand that you can get at Lowe's, but you can also buy online.
Can't twist it right now.
That spider ends up living up here, and then there's a holes that he drops his little bugs down in, or his debris down in, and gets inside that lens right there. See down here in the bottom? It ends up blocking part of the lighting and then the lens itself. So we're gonna take these screws, which is right here, one there, and there's 4 of them, as Clay is saying, 4. We'll take those screws loose and we can get inside there. See how that has 4 screws right here? And we'll clear it out, and we'll take everything back in, put the screws back in, and we'll clean the lens, which is down there. We have a little bit of Windex and such, and then we'll put it back together. Alright, so that you see all that? That's all the debris that spider's dropping down in there, or the little bitty mosquitoes are getting in there. I think it's spider, because that's where we're finding all that. We're going to spray for the spider also. So, and it has little tiny short screws, and I'm talking short, so be careful you don't lose them. And I left them in a little bit so I don't have a chance of dropping them, because you drop them in the grass and they're going to be hard to find. Yeah, I imagine it'd be easy to find anywhere. But anyway, Clay's going to clean the lenses up, and we'll spray bug spray up on top of here, and then they won't do that again, hopefully. See, now there's no thing here to stop the light from coming through, either in the first lens or the second lens. So if you want to improve that lighting, that's how you do it on this Nora Inspect with a NPEC lighting. See ya.